Listen, if your hair has been shedding, thinning, breaking, or refuse to grow, this video may completely change your hair journey. Because ever since I started using Cloves water consistently, my scalp felt alive, my edges look fuller, and my hair has honestly been growing like crazy. And Cloves are not just some random kitchen ingredient out there. Cloves contain a very powerful compound that directly affects your scalp environment and helps stimulate blood circulation around your hair follicles. That tiny sensation you feel on your scalp after using Cloves, that is not retention. That is the Cloves activating your scalp and increasing circulation around your hair roots, and that is exactly what helps support healthier hair growth. Guys, once you truly understand what Cloves can do for your scalp, you will never look at this ingredient the same way again. Cloves are packed with antioxidants, minerals, and one of the most powerful activator compound called Eugenol. Now, think of Eugenol like a natural scalp activator. It's the compound responsible for that strong space small in Cloves, and is also what creates that warming, tinting sensation on your scalp. That tinny feeling means your scalp is becoming more stimulated, and scalp stimulation is extremely important because healthy blood circulation helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to your hair follicles. And this is one reason many people are using Cloves for hair growth, fuller edges, reducing shedding, scalp healthy, and thicker looking natural hair. I know how frustration it feels when your edges was not growing, your hair keep breaking, or your hair stay the same length for months. You try oils, you try protective style, you try expensive product, but your hair still feel weak. That is why simple natural remedies like this can become game changer when used consistently. Now, the ingredient we use is just 2 tablespoons of the Cloves, 2 cups of water. Then you can choose to add rosemary or fenugreek into it, but as you can see, I do not use any other thing. I use only the Cloves. Then I will add them into my clean pot, okay? Then allow it to boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Please don't allow it to boil more than 10 to 15 minutes. Immediately it started boiling, you will notice the water becoming darker. That means all the power compound inside the Cloves are slowly infusing into the water. And trust me, that smell alone lets you know this is strong. One thing I noticed after using Cloves water is that my scalp felt extremely fresh and awake. That is because Cloves may help fight scalp bacteria, reduce itchiness, support a healthy scalp environment, and reduce product buildup around hair follicles. And when your scalp environment becomes healthier, your hair can grow better and stronger. After boiling it for 10 to 15 minutes, I bring it down. I like to cool down for some hours. Then this is what you have. You see, this has become more darker than earlier. So for you to get better results after boiling it for 10 to 15 minutes, I like to cool down like 3 to 4 hours. Then extract it out. It will be more potent, more effective, and more powerful. Okay, unless you don't want yours to be very strong. If you don't want to be very strong, immediately you brought it down from fire, strain it out immediately, and allow it to cool down, then start using it. Okay, but if you want it to be more stronger, allow it to cool down together with the Cloves inside the water for some hours, then extract it out. It will be more powerful, more stronger, more darker in color, and more potent. Okay, so then I'll transfer it to my spray bottle. Then this is what we have. Our powerful solution spray is ready to be used. This is what India people have been using to grow their hair like never before. That flawless hair, that thicker hair, that longer hair, that stronger hair. This is one of their secret ingredients they have been using to grow their hair like never before. So if you want to grow your hair like India people, make sure you prepare this recipe and exactly the method I share with you, okay, for better results. So now let me show you how to apply this on your scalp so that it can glow that flawless, longer, thicker healthier hair you can ever imagine. Okay, now this is the part everybody is talking about. The moment you spray this on your scalp, you start feeling this cooling, warming, titty sensation. And honestly, that is my favorite part because it feels like my scalp is literally waking up. Again, that tinting feeling is not supposed to feel pain or burning. It simply means the glow stimulating the scalp and increasing circulation around the hair follicles. Now, how to apply this to grow your hair like never before to get that thicker, longer, fuller hair? Please pay close attention. I spray this directly on my scalp, edges, crown areas, and anywhere I want thicker hair growth. Then I massage this for 5 minutes. Now, let me tell you something. Scalp massage is very important because it helps improve circulation even more. Please don't skip scalp massage while using this treatment. Scalp massage is very important. Okay, it's a call wake up to your scalp, please. Okay, and also I personally use this 3 to 4 times weekly, yes, and sometimes daily through growth challenge. This method will help you a whole lot to grow your hair like never before. For storage, you can only store this in your refrigerator for only about 5 to 7 days. Anyone that remaining, make sure you discard it and make a fresh batch. Okay, after staying consistent, you start noticing less shedding, stronger roots, softer hair, fuller looking edges, and healthier scalp overall. Your hair will start feeling more alive, and honestly, consistent is where the real magic happens. Don't joke with this, okay? By being consistent, if you want to get that good result, consistent will give you that good result. Okay, once application will never give you that crazy result. It's only being consistent and also being patient with it. You will see the magic start happening. And please do not forget to see in the moisture by using your leave-in conditioner, your butter, and your oil to see in your scalp. It's very important. This treatment do not made for rinsing out or washing it out. Leave it to sit on your hair. Okay, please, this part is very important for better results. So guys, if you have ever tried Cloves water before, comment your experience below and tell me, should you guys like to see Cloves oil, Cloves butter, Cloves rice water, or a 7 days glow challenge next? So please let me know in comment section below. Okay, I would really love to know. Okay, so guys, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe because we are growing long, thicker, healthy hair natural over here. Okay, and trust me, Cloves are definitely become one of my favorite natural ingredients for scalp cleanse and healthy hair growth support. Okay, so guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. Please let me know where you're joining us from. Okay, I would love to know. Okay, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.